In order to hard reset your OPPO Find X9 by using the recovery mode, first of all, we will have to turn off our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up in order to open the power menu, and then we're going to slide it down over here to shut down our phone. And once it happens, we need to wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely shut down, and afterwards we're going to press and hold the power button and volume down button until we see the OPPO logo. Once you see the OPPO logo, you just want to hold the volume down button like this. And now we just have to wait until we see the recovery mode. First we'll have the language selection, and after that we will proceed to the recovery. There we go. So in here you can simply tap on English over here, or you can use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu, and then you can confirm by pressing the power button. And over here we have the format data option, so of course you want to select it. You will have to enter the code in order to proceed, and yeah, and after that you should be able to erase everything from your phone. Remember to make a backup of everything that you don't want to lose in the process, of course. And in case you go back to the recovery menu, then you might want to choose to reboot device over here and then just tap OK to return to the normal mode. But only in case, of course, you will be still, in case you are still in the recovery mode after erasing the data. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.